Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on single-use plastic in English. Let's see its headings first. Our first heading is introduction, then what is single-use plastic, then examples of single-use plastic, harmful effects of single-use plastic, elimination of single-use plastic and epilogue or conclusion. First of all, we have to write a slogan, then we will start our introduction. Our slogan is using plastic is very much drastic, avoiding it makes you fantastic. Then introduction, millions of tons of single-use plastics are produced every year in our country India, most of which cannot be recycled. Once it is used, it is thrown in the garbage. It is extremely harmful for the life of animals, plants and humans. That is why it has been continuously banned by the government of India as well. Our next heading is what is single-use plastic? In common language, we call single-use plastic disposable plastic. All the plastic products which we cannot use again after using it once are called single-use plastic. The main basis of such products is petroleum. They are made at very low cost, hence it has become the most widely used product today. Although it does not cost much to buy and use it, but after throwing it, a lot of money is spent on its waste, cleaning and destroying it, and in this process, there is a lot of damage to the ecology. Examples of single-use plastic. Single-use plastics include plastic bags, polythene straws, plastic glasses, plastic soda and water bottles, plastic cups, plates, disposable products and food packaging items. All of these are used only once and are then thrown away as waste for recycling. Harmful effects of single-use plastic. Our first point is single-use plastics are not biodegradable and usually go under the ground where it gets buried or it goes into the water and after a few days it goes into the sea through rivers and streams. Plastics break down into smaller particles by entering soil and water bodies, but they do not decompose. Our next point is single-use plastics live in soil and water for more than 100 years and release toxic chemicals, thus harming our beautiful planet and environment. Next point, the use of single-use plastic is very harmful to humans, animals and sea creatures. Our next point is, in water, aquatic animals consume plastic particles along with their food. Plastic cannot be digested and thus gets stuck in their gut and causes serious health problems. Next point, it's very often animals eat plastic bags along with food items from the waste, which leads to their death. Our next point is plastic bags that enter water bodies are a major cause of water pollution and also badly affect the quality level of groundwater. Next point, production of plastic bags releases toxins that can cause serious illness in those involved in its production. When single-use plastic is destroyed by burning, it becomes a major cause of environmental pollution. Polluted environment is a major cause of various diseases in humans. Elimination of single-use plastic. The act or feeling of separating or removing something from ourselves is called elimination. Elimination of single-use plastic is very important for human life as well as for the benefit of all living beings. Although the government of India has been continuously banning the use and sale of plastic, but how will it be possible to eliminate it until we stop using it ourselves? Looking at the harmful effects of plastic, we should immediately throw it out of our lives. We can use cloth bags instead of plastic bags for carrying goods. The use of paper disposals will save the environment from harm. Conclusion. Our environment is the main basis of our life. If we can't do anything better for it, then at least we should not waste it. To protect our environment and the animals living in it, we should completely eliminate single-use plastic so that We and our environmental friends can breathe in a happy environment. Our government has also set a target to make India free from plastic by 2022. Together, we all should give our participation in this initiative of the government. At last, we will write a slogan again. Our slogan is avoid plastic because plastic will kill, but jute and paper will thrill. So, friends, in this way, you can write this essay. If this essay is helpful for you, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.